Hi, my name is Rosie Garvin. I'm proud to present a custom home estate lot. We feature up in Big Sky. Big Sky is one of Simi Valley's newest communities, and what's really spectacular about this area is the homes that have been built, the hiking trails, the views, the parks. It actually has one of Simi Valley's only dog parks. When you stand on this lot, you have views up Whiteface Mountain. In the next direction, you have city views. Now's your chance to own a large, unique lot in the desirable community of Big Sky in the hills of Simi Valley. Perfect for your own designer touch on your custom dream home.